Okay, so today I'd like to show you how to do a weighted lunge or a lunge with a bar. This exercise is particularly good for targeting your quads and your glutes, and it's also excellent for core stability because you're obviously using one side at a time and you have to keep your core nice and stable. So we could start with the bar on a rack, but I'm going to start with it today on the ground and I'm going to clean it up into position. Okay, so get your bar, rack it, up overhead and onto your back. Okay, so from here, when we do our lunge, well, what you do is make sure your back's nice and straight, you pick a point on the wall in front of you and keep your eyes on that point. What we're going to do is we're going to take a step forward, make sure both your feet are in one line, and then you're going to lunge down until your knee hits the ground and come back up. Into the opposite leg, lunge down and come back up. I'm going to show you what that looks like from the side, and I want you to watch my knees. The front leg will be at a 90-degree angle. If you find it's not a 90-degree angle, you take a slightly bigger step. So watch where my legs go. Okay, so I'm going to lunge down, go down and come back up. So as you can see, my ankle is directly under my knee. Down and come back up. Okay, thank you very much.